What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNY Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make $5,000 and more passive income with your cryptocurrency by lending and staking your cryptocurrencies. So there's more and more ways to be making passive income with your cryptocurrency coming out every day. I'm going to talk about some of the most important ones and the ones that I'm using and ones that I'm currently looking into. And we're going to go over figures on how much it would take to make $1,000 per month, $5,000 per month, or even $10,000 per month passive income and more with your cryptocurrency. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new videos. Some of this information is very time sensitive, so if you do want to be notified, I do recommend hitting the bell. So before we jump into this topic of making passive income with cryptocurrency, I do want to give you guys a warning. There's a lot of scammers out there coming out in the masses. Definitely stay away from Telegram if you're new to cryptocurrency. That's where people get scammed the most. Also, the comments in YouTube videos are pretty bad right now, but I actually reached out to the CEO of YouTube and I gave her some suggestions on how they could improve the comment section and filter out some of these spam comments, and they actually got back to me and said they implemented some of these ideas. So hopefully that prevents a lot of the scams going on and blocks a lot of these spam accounts impersonating YouTubers trying to steal your crypto. So I also want to say thank you to everyone that's been subscribing, sharing my videos, and helping promote. The channel has been growing at a rapid pace, and I am doing a big cryptocurrency giveaway right now for 50,000 subscribers, and then I'll have another one coming when we hit 100,000 by end of month. So if you guys want to participate in this, you can go to the Linktree link, and the top link here takes you to the contest, and you can get multiple ways to enter here for bigger chances of winning. And I will be adding new entries at the bottom here every night. So be sure to check in daily for extra entry points, and you will have a higher chance of winning these random prizes, around $3,500 of cryptocurrency prizes. I'm also going to be giving gift cards away to my clothing store that will be relaunching this week as well, and I'll be giving away some hoodies and stuff. All right guys, so jumping into the main topic for today, earning passive income on your cryptocurrency and putting your crypto to work to make money for you on a monthly basis. This is really my end goal, is to have a very big monthly passive income from staking and lending cryptocurrencies. So I put together a Google Sheets here to show you guys what I'm currently doing in order to earn some passive income. I have the percent annualized return here you could earn, as well as what cryptos you can stake, and then I do have figures here on how much you can make based on 5% annualized return. Keep in mind, some cryptos are going to pay way more than 5% and some will pay a slightly less, but we're just going to average this around 5%. So currently what I'm biggest on for staking cryptocurrencies is Cardano ADA. They launched staking in the summer, and it is said it averages around 5.4% APY, but I just put 5% because some staking pools are slightly less. So that's a pretty good annualized percent return, especially you have to consider that you're getting paid out in ADA, you're not getting paid out in USD, fiat currency. So as the value of ADA goes up and you're earning ADA, the value of that ADA you're earning goes up as well. So the potential here is massive in my opinion, and I do think Cardano ADA will be one of the highest potential return on investment cryptos out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies for 2021. Definitely check out my recent videos. I also have a Cardano playlist on my channel as well that you should check out. So I do think ADA will be going past $1 here in the upcoming couple months, and that's because they have a huge mainnet launch coming, which is Goguen. That's really going to be the launching point of this project. So with massive potential of ADA value going up while you're holding it, you can also earn passive income paid in ADA while holding it, and the payouts are every week and it's not locked up or anything. So currently I'm most focused on staking ADA just because of that massive short-term potential. If ADA does have huge profits, I probably will diversify into other staking options just to be more diversified with my portfolio. So another major thing I like here is BlockFi, and I did a video about this recently. You can also take out crypto-backed loans with BlockFi, which I did in the summer, and this saved me $100,000 and could be even more in the near future depending on how much Ethereum goes up. So you can also lend your cryptocurrencies out through this platform, And if you sign up for this platform with my link blockfi.com/JRNY, you can get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus for depositing some crypto and lending that out to earn some passive income on it. And there's people that have over $10 million in these accounts. They're really big on security and safety, so you can learn more about that on their website, but definitely use that link to get that bonus if you sign up. It's a huge Bitcoin bonus, and BlockFi is also compounding interest, and they pay out in Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever you want. So as that's compounding, you're making more Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the values of those cryptos are going up as well. This is really an interest account for lending unlike anything in the world right now, and I think a lot of institutions are catching on to this. A lot of major investors are catching on. They're all piling in. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin price skyrocket, and I do think Ethereum is a little overdue to be moving up as well. So these are the main two things I'm focused on right now, and if ADA does have a huge price surge throughout 2021, I probably will sell some ADA to diversify my staking portfolio. Being diversified is always great because if the platform gets hacked or something happens in general, you're still diversified and you don't take as huge of a hit. So safety should be a priority for you always. Make sure the platform you're using is reputable, and make sure your secret passphrase can't be taken somehow, because then you can lose all your crypto. So something else I'm also doing is SparkPoint liquidity staking. So what this is you're providing liquidity on the Uniswap exchange where you can buy SRK, and you're giving Uniswap both Ethereum and SRK tokens. And you're doing basically double rewards with this, which is much higher than 5% right now. So I don't know the exact percent because it's based on whatever percentage you contribute to the pool. So for example, on the SparkPoint liquidity page here on Uniswap, so as you guys can see, there's 24-hour volume, and all of this volume that's made from trading for that crypto gets paid out to those that are providing liquidity to the pool. Not only that, but SparkPoint pays you out in SRK as well for providing liquidity. So you're getting paid out twice, once by Uniswap and once by SparkPoint. They're one of the first projects to do liquidity staking for this, and this is huge because it gives the project a huge amount of liquidity, which is very good for a project. The more liquidity a project has, the more that people will trust it in general, and they're adding other trading pairs as well. They're doing SRK with USDT soon, so you'll be able to stake both USDT and SRK and earn double rewards again. This isn't very easy to set up though for a new crypto user, so if you guys do want to learn how to do this, I did a video tutorial on how to set up SRK liquidity staking that is on my channel. So personally, I wouldn't recommend SparkPoint liquidity staking unless you're already holding SRK and you want to earn some passive income on that. But the returns on that have been pretty huge. I'm pretty sure it's over 20% for right now, and they are adding other staking options later on. So I'm also looking into staking Polkadot. Polkadot has been going up huge, and I'm actually going to be doing a video review on the Polkadot project and letting you guys know what it's all about. It has had a very steady rise over the last year. So I was actually watching this before they actually transitioned to this new token. Before it was even $2. Now it's $13 in a short period of time. So it's been moving up rapidly. It even passed Cardano in market cap. Just crazy. It actually flipped XRP last night and was 4th in the crypto market cap. So unfortunately, I didn't get in when I had that chance early on because it's up over 1,000% now. But regardless, I am going to be doing a review on this, and I'll be setting up staking for this eventually as well. They do have a high payout of staking. So currently I'm not staking Polkadot, but it is something I will be doing in the future just to be diversified. So that's said to be around 12%, although I can't confirm that. On this website, stakingrewards.com, you can see Polkadot at the top here with 13.8% staking rewards APY. So that's pretty huge, and that will probably go down over time. Getting anything over 5%, you have to question that. It really can't last. Some projects on here like Synthetics Network doing 35% APY is just not sustainable in my opinion, and that does add a lot more coins to circulation, which can affect the price. So I do like the reward percentage being lower in general, even though you're paid out less. That means there's a lot less coins coming into circulation, which is good in general. So with Ethereum 2 launching phase 0, that introduced staking, but not many people are depositing into staking, and that's because it's locked up for 2 or more years. We have no idea when that Ethereum is going to be released, so it's not liquid, it gets stuck. So you have no access to that Ethereum while it's earning passive income. So really not many people are doing this. As you can see on stakingrewards.com, we have Ethereum 2 here, and only 1.7% is total staked, compared to Cardano ADA having 70% staked. And Cardano is still not as well known as Ethereum. So as more people catch on to Cardano, this percentage probably will be going up in the future as well, which is just more bullish. The more coins that are taken out of circulation for staking, basic supply and demand economics, as supply shrinks and demand grows, leading up to the mainnet launch, the price will only go up from this. Alright guys, so my favorite part of the video here, talking about how much passive income per month we could be making. So you have to keep in mind, the more crypto you own, the more you're going to make per month from the APY. It also depends how diversified you are, what cryptos you're in, and what the APY percent is. But we're just going to average this at 5%. So I already wrote out some figures here, averaged at 5% per year. So keep in mind, 5% is on the low end for cryptocurrency passive income. You can be doing things to earn 8%. There's even cryptos that pay out 20% or more, but that doesn't matter to me. I would much rather be in a crypto I think has huge potential in going up in value and then earning a smaller percent APY. Because as you're getting paid out, let's say ADA does a 1000%, but the crypto you invest in that has 30% APY only does 100%, you're making much more profit with the one doing 1000%, even though the APY is much smaller. So before you guys comment, I'll never have $1 million of crypto, or I'll never have $100,000 of crypto. Keep in mind, this is just the current market rates. So let's say you're holding Ethereum and Ethereum goes up 10x eventually. Then your amount per month, because you're getting paid out in Ethereum, would be much higher at that rate as well. So if you're holding $10,000 of Ethereum right now and it does a 10x eventually, say 4 years from now, and Ethereum is $10,000 per Ether, you would then have $100,000 of Ether. So your payout would be much higher per month from that current price as well. And if you're doing dollar cost averaging, you'll probably be very successful. This is what I do. I buy in intervals whenever I get paid, and then put this into earning passive income or into my trading account and try to flip it for more profits. So you can do a lot of different things to increase the amount of cryptocurrency you have over time, but don't expect just to jump in a cryptocurrency at the peak price and then 2 days later get a 100% profit and be able to jump out. I'm seeing a lot of people panicking because they bought in at a peak price and it went down 15% the next couple days. If you're investing in cryptos, you should be aware that there's always high risk of short-term dips. And if you want to be successful, doing long-term dollar cost averaging is how most people end up being successful. So I wrote out some figures here on how much passive income you can make per month on how much crypto you're holding based on 5% APY average throughout everything you're staking and lending. So if you have around 1,200,000 at 5%, you're going to be making around $5,000 per month in cryptocurrency. And then as that crypto goes up in value as well, then this actually is going up also. So you have to consider that that type of potential is massive here. And I do think institutions are going to be flooding in when they realize this potential. So if you just have $100,000 of crypto and you're making 5% per year, that's $420 per month, which is pretty good. So you have to consider, while you may only have a small amount of crypto now, doing different things to increase your average amount, like dollar cost averaging, day trading, doing different things like this can over time increase how much cryptocurrency you have. Getting into certain altcoins with huge potential can go up massively. So there's a lot of different things in the crypto space. So don't think it's out of the question because you don't hold much crypto. So over time, I'll keep you guys updated on my passive income journey here, and I'll keep you guys updated on anything new I come across that I think is good to stake or do lending with. So BlockFi is good for lending out your Bitcoin and Ethereum and earning a good percent. Cardano offers staking, offering a great percent. Polkadot offers staking. There's a lot of different things out there. You can check out stakingrewards.com, and there's a great summary here on everything you could be staking, at what percent APY, and other stats as well. So lots of information out there. Please let me know in the comments what you're staking and why you think that's a good cryptocurrency to be staking. So again, I do appreciate if you guys follow me on Twitter, and I do have that crypto giveaway going right now. Just go to the link tree, and the top link here will take you to the contest. And I will have an even bigger contest coming at 100,000 subscribers, which I'm expecting by the end of January. So we got 2 back-to-back huge crypto giveaways here. Definitely a good chance to pick up some extra crypto for your portfolio. And if you're sharing my videos and watching my videos anyways, then you basically get free entries for that. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will have a Polkadot video coming in the upcoming couple days, as well as some other huge videos I have planned as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.